Today we're in Punta Mita touring a newly renovated beachfront estate located inside the exclusive Los Ranchos gated community. Positioned along the swimmable shores of Banderas Bay, this estate combines contemporary coastal living, resort-style amenities, and one of the most privileged beachfront locations. I'm Regina from VIVRE, Nico is behind the camera, and today we're excited to take you around this extraordinary property. Come along with us as we explore this home. Located on a private peninsula along Mexico's Riviera Nayarit, Punta Mita has become one of the most exclusive luxury destinations in Latin America. Home to world-renowned resorts including the Four Seasons and the San Regis, known for its surf culture, privacy, golf, and elevated coastal lifestyle. Punta Mita continues to attract travelers and homeowners from around the world looking for a more refined and secluded experience in Mexico. And within Punta Mita, Ranchos Estates is known for its expansive oceanfront lots, direct beach access, and exceptional level of privacy. As you arrive to the estate, you're immediately welcomed by a striking open-air palapa that serves as the social heart of the property. Framed by a soaring thatched roof, warm natural materials, tropical landscaping, and obstructed ocean breezes, this space instantly sets the tone for the entire experience. What I love about this property is the way it blends traditional Punta Mita architecture with a more contemporary elevated design language. The estate unfolds more like a private beachfront resort than a traditional residence, with multiple structures, layered outdoor spaces, private guest suites, and seamless indoor-outdoor living throughout. The main living area was designed entirely around the estate's oceanfront setting. Framed by floor-to-ceiling glass doors, here you'll find a spacious living room, dining area for 14 guests, and a private cinema. Located right next is the kitchen, all flowing together with one expansive open-concept space, supported by a separate staff kitchen designed for seamless full-service hospitality throughout the estate. Just beyond the main living area, the home opens completely towards the spacious outdoor terraces, featuring additional lounge and alfresco dining spaces overlooking the garden and the ocean. From there, the landscape grounds connect you up toward the infinity edge pool and built-in jacuzzi, while a separate set of steps lead you directly down to the beach just below the property. The estate features 7 suites thoughtfully divided between the main oceanfront residence and a separate guest house, creating a layout that feels both expansive and incredibly private for larger groups. Within the main house, you'll find the primary suite along 2 additional guest suites, all positioned closer to the ocean with a combination of panoramic views, direct pool access, and indoor-outdoor spa-style bathrooms. The primary suite itself feels like a private retreat, featuring sweeping ocean views, its own TV lounge, custom walk-in closet, spa-inspired bathroom, and a private terrace with plunge pool overlooking the Pacific. And positioned more privately toward the back of the estate, the separate guest house includes 4 additional suites designed for flexibility and comfort, including 2 king suites, 2 double queen accommodation, and a custom bunk room ideal for families or groups traveling together with kids. Throughout the property, every suite feels intentionally connected to the surrounding gardens, natural light, and oceanfront setting. And beyond the main palapa, this estate features a dedicated wellness center positioned along the main terrace. This private retreat includes a lap pool, massage cabin overlooking the gardens, sauna, steam room, hot and cold plunge pool, a full spa-style bathroom with double vanities and showers, and a fire pit lounge. And just behind the spa, the fully equipped fitness studio features professional cardio and resistant equipment surrounded by floor-to-ceiling glass walls immersed in the tropical landscape. It feels much more like a luxury wellness retreat than a traditional home gym. Beyond the wellness areas, stairs lead you down to the estate's entertainment level. Here you'll find a fully built-out game room featuring 2 professional bowling alleys, a full bar, lounge seating, pool table, and TVs. Positioned above the estate with panoramic views of Banderas Bay and the Pacific coastline, this rooftop terrace features a central stone fire pit surrounded by plush seating areas. At sunset, this becomes one of the most cinematic viewpoints of the property. The estate is fully staffed with private chefs, housekeeping, concierge services, and dedicated hospitality personnel, allowing the property to operate more like a boutique resort than a traditional vacation home. What makes properties like this so special isn't only the scale or the amenities that they offer, but the atmosphere that they create. The sound of the ocean surrounding the properties, sunsets overlooking the Pacific, morning workouts surrounded by jungle, and evenings gathering around the fire overlooking the coastline. Rancho 6 was designed to feel immersive, private, and deeply connected to its environment. We hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like more information on this luxurious rental, you'll find all the details in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned to more luxurious property tours across Mexico. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.